Here is a quick demo on setting up shared folders within SharePoint. So if you are a COCC staff or faculty member, you do have access to this website, which is just cocc.sharepoint.com. You authenticate with your network login. My home screen takes me here because I'm in a couple of department folders, but what you'll want to do is come up to the waffle and click on OneDrive. And what this is going to do is open up your cloud storage for COCC. And you can see I have a couple of folders in here. For sharing with, there are two ways that you can do this depending on your scenario. If you are sharing with people who are only within the organization, you can share directly to their COCC email account, and they would have to be logged in and authenticate through our network, so they'd have to log in order to see those documents. Or if you're using it with external users, so if you were working with students who maybe aren't in the global address book, I think you can link in students this way, I'm not 100% sure, or with like people that you are tutoring and you just need a place to pass files back and forth, you can set up folders that have both levels of sharing enabled. So in any case, let's go ahead and click new. We can click folder. We can go sharing example. And now down here, we have our little arrow icon for sharing. And here's where you can choose. So if I want to send this to anybody and I want anyone who receives the link to this folder to be able to upload documents to that folder, I want to choose the option that says anyone with the link can edit. And then you can just copy the link and share that out through email, or if you are in a Zoom session with someone, you can share that with them there. If you want to restrict this to specific users within the organization, click the same link, but instead of staying here, click on the right-hand side of it. There's a little caret, and then you can select specific people with existing access, which is not relevant for you in this case, and then people within Central Oregon Community College. So you can choose the level that is correct for you. We're still going with anyone with that link. And then let me open this up and I will drop a document in here real quick. So I can just click new, or actually I would click upload file. And I can upload my file here. So there's my document. And now if I come into this as if I were a student, here I can see a more limited view of that folder. So I can both download and view this document, but I can also upload my own documents there as well. So that is what I would recommend right now for secure file sharing, given that we can't use it through Zoom, which is probably not the best medium for that anyway. But if you have any questions, please reach out and let me know. I will try to pass your Zoom support questions on as best as I can, or answer them the best that I can. Thanks.